Children, let us go through the unit constructions. The first construction is the division of line segment. That is, to divide a line segment of given length in the given ratio. The ratio may be in the form of m:n. The first one is, draw a line segment of length 10 cm and divide it in the ratio 3:5. Draw a line segment of length 10 cm and divide it in the ratio 3:5. Now you see the construction made here. Divide a line of length 10 cm in the ratio 3:5. Here the length of the line is 10 cm and the ratio is 3:5. So you have the sum of the ratio, that is 3 plus 5 is equals to 8 here. And in the first step, you draw the line AB of length 10 cm. Draw the line AB of length 10 cm, or you can give the name PQ, EF, whatever it may be. You draw the line of 10 cm. So you got the line here. With the initial point of the given line, you have one more line, the acute angle with the given line. See the angle here. The angle between the two lines here is acute angle. So we have the required length. So you got two lines here. One is the given line of length 10 cm. Other line making an acute angle with the given line. So you name this line as AB. The initial point is A and B is the final point here. AB is a line segment of length 10 cm. And at A there is an acute angle and you had one more line. And here you have to make 8 equal parts. So you take a compass and take your convenient measurement for the radius, and here with the same radius you have equal parts. First part is over and with the same radius have the second part. Don't change the measurement. So you must have 8 equal parts on the second line here. So you got 3 parts here. Next that is the fourth equal part. Then fifth equal part. Next sixth part. Next seventh part. Next eighth part. Here there are 8 equal parts. Next here it is the first part A1 and A2 second part, A3 third part, A4 fourth part, fifth part, A5, like this way, A6, A7, A8. A8 is the last part here. That is the end point of the second line. Join this to the end point of the first line. Join B and A8. Join B and A8. B and A8 here. And you must have the point in between A and B, that is in the ratio 3:5. So you must have the parallel line. You must have the line parallel to the line BA BA8. So to have the parallel line, you must have the equal angles. So here draw the curve to intersect the lines AA8 and BA8. So you got the curve here with the same measurement. Don't change the measurement. Mark the point A8, A3 here. A3. It is an important point. You mark it, and with the same curve you draw the curve with A3 as a center. Here you have drawn the curve with A3 as a center. It is very important here. Here with the A8 as a center, you draw that. And next, see there. This measurement is also very important. And from that point, you have the intersecting point. See here, which one that you have to take as a center. The previous arc cut the A8 line at one point. With that point only, you must cut the previous curve. And you got a point of intersection of both the curve. First curve and second curve meet at a point. So you mark that point and draw a line crossing through that point and produce that line to meet AB at one point. Here the line drawn from A3 must be parallel to the line drawn from A8. Here at A3 and A8 the angles are equal, and you got 3 parts here. This is 5 parts. 3 parts and 5 parts. And you know that this is a point C, and AC is to CB is 3:5 here. AC is to CB is 3:5. 3:5. And also you know that AB is the sum of AC and BC. That is AB is equals to AC plus BC. AC plus CB. AC plus CB. And measure AC, you will get 3.75 and CB you will get 6.25. By finding their sum, you will get 10 centimeter. AC plus BC is equals to 10 centimeter. In this way, you got the parts in the ratio 3:5. Measure the length of the two parts AC and CB. Here you got that AC is equals to 3.75 centimeter. CB is equals to 6.25 centimeter, which are in the ratio 3:5. And also you know that here AB is the sum of AC and BC, that you will get 10 centimeter. That is 3.75 plus 6.25, you will get 10 centimeter. 3.75 plus 6.25, that is 10 here. Now you do the second one. The question is from the exercise. Draw a line of 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8 and measure two parts. Now you see the construction made by the student, and you follow the steps and divide the line of 7.6 centimeter in the ratio 5:8 and also measure the two parts. First you draw the line of length 7.6 centimeter, that is line AB. The length of AB is here 7.6 centimeter, and here the ratio is 5:8. The given ratio is 5:8. So here you draw any ray at point A, that is, let us consider that is AX, and with an acute angle. Here at a point A, you must draw the ray with an acute angle, and the ratio is 5:8. So here 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. The sum of the ratio is 5 plus 8, that is 13. And with the help of the compass, with the convenient radius, here take your own measurement. There is no any restriction for the measurement. with the help of the convenient radius, you have 5 plus 8 is equals to 13 equal parts here. Here you must have 13 equal parts. Like this way, you have the 13 equal parts on the second line here. Draw the 13 equal parts. Like this way, we have the 13 equal parts. They are of all equal measurement. 13 parts are equal here. Thirteen parts are equal, and after having 13 equal parts, here first mark is A1, second mark is A2, third mark is A3, that is the third part here, fourth part A4, fifth part A5, sixth part A6, seventh part A7, eighth part A8, ninth part A9, 10th part A10, A11, A12 and A13 here. That is the last part. That is the 13th part. All the parts here, distance from A to A1, that is A1 is equals to A1, A2 is equals to A2, A3 is equals to A3, A4 is equals to A4, A5 is equals to A5, A6 is equals to A6, A7 is equals to A7, A8 is equals to A8, A9 is equals to A9, A10 is equals to A10, A11 is equals to A11, A12 is equals to A12, A13, and you join the last part A13 to the point B. Join B and A13. Join B and A13. After, with the help of the compass and with the convenient radius, here draw one curve joining the two rays. Here the second line and the third line, and again here it is fifth part. You come to the fifth part point, and with the same measurement you draw the curve here. Here the curve what you have taken from the point A13, from the point A5th also you have the same curve here, like this way. Have the same curve, don't change the measurement here, have the curve, and next like this way find the angle made at the point B18. Here see this angle B18, like this way you measure, and with the same measurement you cut the previous curve drawn at the point A5. Like this way you cut it, you will get a point of intersection of both the curve, previous curve and this curve, and join that point to meet and produce that point to meet the given line AB, and also observe the same construction done by the other student. Now let us discuss about the steps in dividing the given line in the given ratio. Now you, in the first step, draw the line of given length and name it. If the name is given, you give that name only, or otherwise you can name it AB, PQ, D, whatever it may be. Now here let us name that line AB. After drawing the line AB of given length, at A, draw any rays AX, that is with angle BAX is an acute angle. So here angle BAX is an acute angle, AX is the line drawn here, and now you see the ratio. The ratio may be in the form of M:N. So let us consider the ratio is 3:7. Then you find the sum of the ratio. Here if 3:7 is given, that is 3 plus 7. If 5:3 is given, that is 5 plus 3, 8. And if 2:3 is given, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, like this way. Here you have taken, the ratio is 3:7, then 3 plus 7, it becomes 10. So you made here you do 10 equal parts. You have 10 equal parts with the help of the compass, that is of equal measurement. That is on the line AX, here you do 10 equal parts. The first part is A1, second one is A2, third one is A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10. A10 is the last division. And in the next step, here you know that join that A10 and B. You will get a line BA10. And after that, here you must draw the line which is parallel to A10B at a point A3. So here, to have the parallel line, you get the angle at A10. So get the measurement of the angle A10, and that here you draw the curve with the point A10 by joining the line AX, A10 and B10, and with the same measurement with A3 as a center, you draw one curve intersecting the line A10, and again find the measurement of that curve here, and you cut the previous curve to get the point and draw the line passing through the point, that point, and join A3C passing through the intersecting point. So that line A3C is parallel to A10B, and if you measure the angle at A3 and angle A10, that must be equal, and AC and CB are in the ratio 3:7, and measure the AC and CB, and sum of that is equals to, you know, that AB. In this way you can divide the given line in the given. Here there is a homework for you. First one is draw a line PQ equals 9.7 cm and divide it in the ratio 2:3. Measure the parts. Second one is draw the line AB is equals to 11.8 cm and divide it in the ratio 5:7 and measure the parts.